Since its inception almost 2 years ago, Saskatchewan's Parents' Bill of Rights has had its detractors, including UR Pride, who sees the legislation as an attack on the LGBTQ2S+ community. Today, that group, along with its allies, are celebrating a victory in the courts with a ruling they are allowed to legally challenge the legislation on the basis of the Canadian Charter of Rights. Mick Favel has the details.
A legal challenge to the province's pronoun policy will be allowed to proceed by the Saskatchewan's Court of Appeal. Saskatchewan's highest court ruled a judge will hear the charter case against the pronoun law, even if a King's Bench judge is barred from striking it down. Introduced in 2023, the Parents' Bill of Rights requires students under the ages of 16 to have parental permission before changing their name or pronouns at school. Despite heavy criticism from advocacy groups and opposition, the Saskatchewan government passed the bill. UR Pride has opposed the Parents' Bill of Rights since the policy's creation, saying it violates the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. UR Pride halted the policy's mandate once before eventually taking the government of Saskatchewan to court. Egal Canada, who launched a legal challenge with UR Pride, supports the court's decision. At the base of this case is government policy that the Court of King's Bench found, on the base of expert evidence, would cause irreparable harm to vulnerable young people, said Egal. In a statement to CTV News, the government of Saskatchewan said, "Our government will always protect parents' rights to be involved in their children's education. The Parents' Bill of Rights provides parents with the assurance that they will be involved in important decisions involving their children and that important information involving their children will not be withheld from them." The ruling will allow UR Pride's challenge to be heard at the Court of King's Bench in the future. The law will remain in place regardless of what the court rules due to the protections of the notwithstanding clause. Mick Favel, CTV News, Regina.